Hey everyone, just going to share with you a really quick and easy backbending sequence. This exercise is really simple. It's only 3 steps that are pretty self-explanatory. But basically the idea is to try and start a backbend using your whole spine. It's quite common for people to hinge mostly lower down, so either the sort of lumbar spine, lower spine, or their hips and pelvis, just because that area tends to bend quite easily. Whereas actually, what is probably a bit healthier is if we can have like an actual smooth curve that goes evenly across the whole spine. So the exercise basically is this. Okay, so first exercise is sitting over your heels, arms over your head, just reaching back, touching the wall behind you. And this is basically just to encourage your thoracic spine, those 12 vertebrae that sit at the top of your spine, to get a little bit more actively involved. Once you've got into that, you're gonna come off of your heels. You're gonna still be on your knees, just so that you can get sort of your whole spine involved. So you're gonna add add a bit more of an even curve for the whole way from the top to the bottom. Once we get through that bit, then we can start adding in the full back bend. So starting from standing. If you want to get a little bit more stretch into your hips in this as well, you can also turn your feet in slightly. But this is a little bit more the standard way that we would know. But now hopefully we're using the top of a back or whole back rounded a little bit more nicely than before. So that's it for today. If you have any comments or questions around back bends, we'd love to hear them. Drop a message in the comments or get in touch. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.